In a time when our attention is increasingly divided, one way to find focus is to activate the mind with a mental and physical challenge. Introducing the Tycho puzzle. The Tycho puzzle is our most captivating release to date. Comprised of 8 pieces of brass and stainless steel, the components fit together to form a cube with gently rounded edges. Measuring 1.8 inches across and weighing almost 1.5 pounds. It's a hefty little object. The Tycho puzzle is manufactured through a combination of die casting and precision machining, which ensures a solid fit and a beautiful surface finish. The Tycho puzzle also features a hidden interior cavity, a perfect place to conceal a meaningful surprise. During our design process, we explored a wide variety of interlocks and functionalities. We landed on a dissection puzzle with contrasting metals, the surface pattern evoking a Celtic knot. Over many iterations, we sculpted the curves and profiles of each piece to be increasingly fluid, as if the brass and steel were woven together. It's difficult to solve, satisfying to hold, and beautiful to display. Founded in 2015, Tycho is a product design company based in New York City. Last year, we launched the Then puzzle on Kickstarter, and the overwhelming response has given us the confidence to continue taking risks and developing unusual products. Throughout this evolution, our primary objective has remained the same: to nurture curiosity and foster consciousness of the built world. We have our first samples in hand, the tooling is made, and we're ready to move forward on production. We've spared no expense with material, precision, or manufacturing. This is an heirloom that you'll be proud to hold on to. We're thrilled to be launching the Tycho puzzle on Kickstarter. We look forward to sharing this magical object with you. Thank you.